This is a look out the side window here of our living room window. So we see the main street from the whole front of our house, the kitchen, the living room. And the snow plows have just gone by again. So they're just starting to get the roads clear. It's our neighbor's house. And you can just see the fineness of the snow still coming down against the red of the house. And the snow plows went by one more time. And I think they're returning. They go down and turn around because we're right near the end of the border of Maple and Garfield. There's a man out there shoveling his snow all the way across the street down there. It's a lot of snow. Lee and Julius are going out here in a little bit. Oh, here comes the plows again. Just one of them anyway. Oh, nope, here comes the other one. Always riding in tandem.